Hello friends, welcome to Odoo Hub. In today's tutorial video, we are going to learn how to install Odoo 19 in your system. If you are already working on previous Odoo versions, so this video is going to be very easy for you. To install Odoo 19, we have to open terminal. So I am right click here and open terminal. Here we have to pass some commands to configure Postgres user and install Odoo 19. To save time, I have already written those commands in separate file. So I will simply copy those commands and paste in command prompt. I will also give those commands in video description so you can simply copy from there. After copying first command, I will click on enter. As you can see, we are now in Postgres. After that, we have to create new user for Odoo 19. So I will simply copy second command and paste in command prompt. Now I will click enter. It will ask for Odoo 90 users password. So I will add the password and again we have to pass same password. So as you can see, we successfully created Odoo 19 user. Now we will exit from Postgres. Now to install Odoo 19, we have to clone Odoo 19 branch from GitHub. So I will simply copy third command and paste in command prompt. After clicking on enter, Odoo 19 installation process is started. As you can see here, our Odoo 19 is successfully installed. Now, in next Odoo 19 development tutorial, we will configure it with PyCharm. See you in next video. Thanks for watching.